Hey guys, what's up? Today I am back with another new video on the main channel here. Back with another new unboxing video. This is my first summer 2020 video on the channel, and it's also my first summer unboxing for 2020 on the channel. I don't know if this is my first unboxing video of 2020. It's probably like my third or fourth one. I'm not really sure, but yeah, so I'm back here with another unboxing video, and currently here at a local Starbucks right now. I got this. Just got the iced guava passion fruit drink from Starbucks, and it's pretty freaking good. It's like it literally looks like the new pink drink. I haven't had the original, like the actual pink drink before, but this kind of looks like the freaking pink drink, to be honest. But this is like one of Starbucks' new summer 2020 drinks, so it's pretty freaking good. Pretty much done with it. Got a small size, and I'm pretty much done with it by now. And I'm just here, just chilling here. Yeah, about to bike back home. So I changed my outer camera settings to 1080p HD to 60 frames, so they'll look much more neater this way. I'm just gonna film the rest of the unboxing video in 60 frames until the very end. So so I ordered something on the Target app just this past week, on like Monday or Tuesday or something. And so I ordered my thing on the Target app, and then I suggested to have a pickup order. So I just clicked on the Target app and I selected store pickup. So they scheduled the store pickup for Tuesday, July 23rd, which was yesterday. And then a day later, today, Friday, July 24th, I decided to go pick it up. So I went to the local Target, which is literally right behind this Starbucks. Went to the local Target, biked to the local Target, and picked up the order for store pickup. And what I picked up basically was this. Yep, guys. I picked up some new wired Sony headphones. These are the Sony MDR ZX 310 AP wired headphones. The blue color, obviously, because blue is my favorite color. And it's got like, I'll just review this when I get home, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna bike back home, and I'll show you guys these headphones. Went to do the store pickup for these today. Ordered them online. They weren't available at the store itself. They had to ship it to the store. So once they shipped it to the store yesterday, I went and picked it up today. So went to do the store pickup for these today, and I'll review them, and I'll unbox them once I get back home. All right. See you guys when I bike back home. Turning this into a vlog. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm back home now, and gonna unbox these bad boys. Outside they kind of looked a bit black. Now inside they look a little bit more bluish, more bluer, with they kind of have this like reflective blue color, this like metallic reflective shiny blue color. But let's start opening these, I guess. Might need to find a stand with it. It's alright. Maybe I can just leave them like this or something. Or actually, I might need to get a stand, actually. One sec. Alright, so I got the plastic part of the box, the covering, out of the way. So I took that out. Took the plastic out, and now I'm gonna get the headphones. Now I'm gonna get the headphones out of their plastic cover. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, they look small. Okay, so as you can see, I got them out. Just gonna put them here like that. Now I just got to get the wiring out of here. Probably a long wire. Here's Sony stuff. Here's the actual packaging right here, as you can see. Okay. This video will probably get a lot of views. Most of my unboxing videos have gotten a lot of views so far, especially my Cars Blu-ray one. But I'm thinking about making more regular videos, like main channel content related videos for this channel, obviously, because I'm thinking about leaning more towards main channel content for this channel, and kind of lure away from unboxings for a little while. So I'm probably just gonna shift away from unboxings for a while, and just gonna lean more towards main channel content. Anyways, guys, let's just continue the rest of this, because this is the main channel. I do have a vlog channel, I do have a gaming channel. This is the main center one. So I don't just do unboxings on here, guys. If you can view, or if you can take a look at my previous videos, like way before this, like my older videos, I didn't really do as many unboxings before in the past. But anyways, guys, aside from all that, let's just finish this up. Just gonna get the wiring out of here. Wow, it's a pretty the wires, or the wire, feels pretty flexible. It's a pretty flexible, soft, stretchy wire. Flexible, soft, and stretchy wire. The current headphones that I have now are the Beats Studio 3s and the Beats Solo Pros that I got in June of last year and January of this year. Those are wireless, obviously, as you can tell, but this is like one of my very first wired headphones. I do have wired earbuds and stuff, like Apple earbuds and stuff, but these are one of my very first wired headphones. And I got another one like wireless in here. Those are Vivitar. Those were my first wireless headphones that I bought. And that was my second one, third one. This is now my fourth pair of headphones overall in total, I guess, to be honest. And yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna finish this video off, end this video off by putting these on and showing you guys how I look in them. And that way I'll get an opportunity to use the mic as well. So, alright guys, that pretty much wraps up the unboxing. There you go. Got them out of the box pretty quick in a jiff. Alright guys, so that pretty much does it for this unboxing. Hope you guys can hear me okay with this mic, and I hope the mic quality is not so bad or shabby. But as you can see, guys, this is my very first time putting on these headphones, and they feel kind of comfortable. They feel small around the ear, because I mean, they're pretty small, as you can see. And yeah, pretty small, but overall they're okay. I had to use an Apple adapter to connect them though, because this is the iPhone 8. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please make sure to like this video, and comment if you guys want, and subscribe to this channel for more future videos, unboxings, and main channel content. As I said, more videos coming along the way, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.